Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am Mohammed Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about can we use measure as a legend? It's a real world case and solution in Power BI. In most of the cases, we get the answers in measures, but we can't able to use it inside a legend in our graphs. In this video, we can learn about how you can use the measure in the legend. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed it, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. This is the powerbi file. In this I have this pie chart here where I'm going to filter the data by the ranking of the top, middle and bottom. As of now it has selected the three values. If I remove here middle, then in the pie chart also we get an effect. It's not showing the middle value. And if I tick again here and if I remove this bottom as well as the top, then it is showing only middle value here. So this will be really helpful for the end users so they can extract the data based on the selection. Now let's have a look at the details how it actually works. First of all, let's have a look at the data which is available here. In this I have this country name and the salespersons and the sales, how much they have made. There are four countries are here. As of now, I just want to club the sales by country and then give it a rank. If the first is the rank, then it has to show as the top. If it is more than 3, then it has to show as bottom, and the balance is it has to show as middle. For that, I have created a series of measures you have to create in order to use that measures as a legend in Power BI. So first of all, let's create the sales. So this measure is just the sum of measures in sales in pi. That's the table name and then the column name sum of sales. So it will just accumulate the sum of sales. And the next thing I have added here is rank country in MIP. So here what the function I have used here, if condition and has one value. If any of the values available in the country name column in the country table, as it is relationship between the country and measure in pi, then let's start with the rank x calculation. So rank x all country and then the sum of sales, or else it returns null value. The reason why I have used has one value is if you look at the table here at the bottom, here I have used here rank country MIP, and here I got this result 1 2 3 4. And the reason why I have shown has one value is because if I have not used over there, then even in the total area it will give some rank functions on that rank value. That's the reason. Now let's have a look at the second rank status measure. Here also I use the same thing. So if it has one value, the country name, if there is a country name here, then I'm using this if the rank country MIP is a dynamic ranking. So I used to measure here. So if the rank value is 1, then it will display as top text, and if the rank value is greater than 3, then it will show as bottom, or else the value will show as middle. If there is no value available on the country name, then it will return the blank value. So if you look at this here, it will return the middle, bottom, middle and top, because 1 is top and 4 is the bottom more than 3, and 2 and 3 value is the middle option here. So in the total it will not reflect any value because of has one value. I made a video about those things as well. If you haven't seen that, just click on the link given on top of your screen. Now the third one is the top function. So far so good. So we have made that sum of sales and then the rank and then the rank status. Now if you want to apply this directly in this Power BI, you can't able to use that. I just want to show it here. So for example, I'm taking this again. So if you want to drag this rank status, I can't able to use it here. I can use it on the value section, but we can't able to use on the legend. So for that purpose, we have to create 3 separate measures on that. So first of all, I'm going to create the top, middle and bottom, right? So first of all, I'm going to create the top. So if you look at this measure here, for this one, top one, I am using this filter function and then removing all the filters which is available on the country table, and then comma applying the rank status is equal to top. If it is there, then show me the sum of value. Like the same way, If you look at this, the middle option, subnext, filter all the country column. So this is a table for that. And then if the column status is equal to middle, then show me the sales value of it. The same way I used for the bottoms as well. If the rank status is bottom, then it will show the sum of sales. Now finally for legend. For legend actually, I have created a separate table for that, that is status table. So let's have a look at the details of it. If I click here the status table, it is only three values of the top, middle and bottom. And if you look at the relationship here, there is one-to-many relationship between the country and measure in pi, whereas the status table is disconnected. To get this result, so we are using this disconnected table, and this is one of the best use of the disconnected tables. So by using this disconnected table, I am creating a measure here for legend. I am declaring a variable here if the selected value, the table name, status table or status name, this table, the user selected value, right? Okay, if it is there, then I'm using this switch function, switch this variable selected value. If it is equal to top, then it will return my top measure. If it is middle, then it will return the middle measure. If it is bottom, then it will return the bottom measure. Now I have added this pie chart here. In this pie chart, I am taking the legend, the status name from the status table, and not from the measure from the rank status, because the rank state is also showing the same thing, but I can't able to use it here. In that case, you can use the status name from the status table. So I have used this in this detail section, that is for the legend, and the last DAX function for legend, I used it on the value section. So now here we have this status as a legend. In order to give the user for the filtration of the status, then we can use the status table as a slicer. In that the user can select any of the value here, the bottom, middle, something like that. So with respect to the selection, it is going to filter the data on the visuals. So this is one way how you can use the measure as a legend in Power BI. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.